Psychological effects. Developmental psychology. 3. Matthew effect. The concept is named after parables of Jesus in the Gospels. For to everyone who is will more be given, and he will have abundance, but from him who is not, even what he has will be taken away. The Matthew effect is sometimes summed up in the adage the rich get richer, and the poor get poorer. In sociology of science, the Matthew effect is a term coined by Robert Merton to describe how brilliant scientists often receive more accolades than relatively unknown researchers, even if their jobs are similar. This concept applies to matters of reputation or status, but it can also literally apply to the cumulative advantage of economic capital. In education. In education, the term Matthew effect was adopted by psychologists to describe observations observed in research on how new readers acquire reading skills. Early success in acquiring reading skills often leads to later success in reading as the learner grows. And failing to learn to read before the third or fourth year of school may indicate lifelong problems with learning new skills. This is because children who are behind in reading will read less, widening the gap between them and their peers. Later, when students need to read to learn, before they learn to read, their reading difficulty creates difficulties in most other subjects. That's how they fall behind in school. Word frequency effect. The word frequency effect is a psychological phenomenon where recognition times are faster for words seen more frequently than for words seen less frequently. Word frequency depends on the individual's knowledge of the test language. This phenomenon can be extended to different characters of words in non-alphabetic languages such as Chinese. Some languages, such as Chinese, have multiple levels of everyday speech that affect the frequency of words. Frequency exists at the character level or the word level. Bilingualism. As more and more people become proficient in multiple languages, word frequency effects may behave differently in first and second languages. Study participants had different levels of ability in a second language. Those who were more fluent in their second language showed a stronger word frequency effect. Response rates in bilingual adults may also be affected by age. Older adults responded significantly slower to low-frequency words, but processing high-frequency words faster.